Man, it's so good.
Major pressure.
Whip gang is happening right now. But nah, for real though, Tim is here, man. We've been talking, chopping it up. Real cool dude. He is in my garage right now. About to get started on my Lambo doors for my C8 mid-engine Corvette. Vertical doors, whatever you want to call it. I'm calling the Lambo doors, but it's happening right now. I'm excited. I'm ready for it to be done. But hey, we're gonna do a little bit. I'm not gonna be in the way, anything like that. You know, I'm gonna pop in on, you know, show you this, show you that a little bit. But hey, just stay tuned, man, to the end of the video so y'all can actually see my 2020 C8 Corvette with the Lambo doors on it, man. I've seen a couple online, but I might be the first YouTuber that actually gonna, you know, record the process of it. So, hey, just watch this whole video, and I hope y'all enjoy it, cause I'm about to enjoy it. Let's get it. We still got the kit right here. So I just threw that out here for him so he can have it. Garage should be up. See that fast though? Yeah, that's the man with the plan, guys. Man with the plan.
What's going on?
It's about to start. Let's get started, man. Hey, let's enjoy it. Finally about to get the doors put on the C8. Oh my God, it's coming apart. Whole bumper. That's a lot of stuff get down in there.
Yeah. Yeah.
You got a frog?
Yeah, there's a bunch of stuff. You got a frog.
Got a frog. Oh man, we got a frog, y'all. Guys, we got a frog.
Wow.
He probably been in there for a while too. He might have got it here through the garage.
Well, he's definitely mummified.
Got the bump off, guys. Tim's the man. I will drop the link to their website, so y'all make sure y'all get any kits. Make sure they do it, cause
On Motorsports.
yeah, they don't want to go with. Go throw another jacket on, man, in the hood. Good and cold out here. Smash that subscribe button right now. We're getting taken apart over here, man. We're getting taken apart. Subscribe right now. Get it to this 1,000 subscribers so y'all can see more stuff like this going on. He will be back to do the challenges sooner or later. So y'all will be seeing him again pretty soon. My little baby is completely apart. Completely.
Just hope I can remember how to put it back together.
Uh-oh. It's time to go. It's time to go. But he done so many of these. It's part of second nature to him now, so I don't have any words at all, you know.
Yeah, Yeah, I did one side blindfolded.
If y'all ever needed to know how the inside of your doors look, we all broken down now. Brand new car, we taking it apart. Oh man.
Yes, sir.
Check out the shirt.
Might be a little butt crack in that, but.
Like I said, it might be the last, well, it will be the last time that these doors open up this far.
That's for sure.
Instead of going out this far, they would be going up now. Good, guys. Like the door never came off. Okay, we're all right. We gotta just get the front part back on.
That's part of the deal too? Damn.
See, he said he was just gonna take it off and leave. I guess I gotta put it back on.
That's a plan, huh?
Noise out here, oh my God.
Just a little.
Mom and Dad, this is not my car. This is a rental that we're working on right now. So y'all don't even know.
Last one.
He's a pro guy, he's a pro. You gotta do what you gotta do to get these on, man. Like, when y'all see the outcome, y'all gonna understand.
And we're done with the chopping.
All right, Mom, Dad, look, that was all that was cut. That was it. Y'all gonna love it. I swear y'all gonna love it.
Until we get to the fender. Then I can put the fenders up.
All right, yeah, we gonna go ahead and put the old kit back on. I told him how this Arkansas weather is down here.
You lied. You said it was cold, not Antarctica.
It's time to the good part.
Yeah, I've seen. Obviously, I've torn apart close to 60 of these things, ranging from 17 miles to 8,000 miles, and the radiators all look almost identical. From 7 miles on the car to this, it's a big flaw from GM. GM, fix your stuff.
Yeah, I better do it.
Made a mistake here with the radiators.
Yeah, I better get that fixed. It's a lot in here. Done, these doors are gonna close and it's gonna look like it came from the factory. It might look even better. Cause I mean, it's just the pinpoint location of it.
Normally we put lasers on it, like new cars, but when you've done almost 60 of these things, you don't really need the lasers anymore. You know what to look for.
So like right now my door isn't connected to anything. Like
Nope.
nothing. Yeah, make sure y'all get the best kit, man. So they will make it for your vehicle. Tip what for them dogs. Hold it. Okay. So that's the height of it. Superman.
Yeah.
Superman. That is so good. So we came from this to some hinges.
Now we'll get the alignment right. Stop this. I always stop this. Like, a lot of customers like it, but I stop it.
I thought it was coming out more like that, yeah.
It's just more rigid, more solid feeling. So it stops right here.
Okay, yeah, that's still plenty of room to get in and out. Yep.
It's still room to get in and out.
Oh man, y'all in trouble now. Y'all in trouble now. First time, guys, first time. Oh yeah. Super easy, super easy. Y'all gotta get me to 1,000 so I can be able to get one of these drones, man. I need one of these ASAP. And there's one of the subscribers, one of y'all can send me one. Let me know, I'll send you my address. Hit that subscribe button right now. Dropping a whole lot of hits, I'm telling y'all. Hit it right now. Cannot wait. Cannot. I wonder why some people like that though. You say some people like that play in there?
Some people like to play because they want to be able to have more room to get in and out, but I won't do it. And sometimes I've like, certain cars I'll give them a little more.
Yeah.
But when they want to dictate how far to like the danger zone, then like I won't do it for them. And if they're gonna do it, like if they say that, we have to void their warranty.
Go subscribe right now. I'm telling y'all, man. I'm gonna make so many videos. Go subscribe right now. Believe that. Huh?
Now it's time to finish.
Now it's time to cut them. That would have been the only thing catching it, bumping against it sometimes.
Yeah.
C8.
I didn't get here till what, like 2 something?
Yeah, it was, yeah. Hit that subscribe button.
Uh-huh. What is that?
I told her hit that subscribe button.
Uh-huh.
Gotta remind them. I gotta keep reminding y'all to hit that button, man. Y'all gotta hit that subscribe button for me. Yes. Getting the bumper put back on, guys. Car's finally looking like the car again. It's really crazy seeing all that apart though. I did notice one thing when I wash this car now. I gotta make sure to get under the door because that's gonna be in the air. Like how this part is dusty. So yeah. Gotta make sure to get that now.
That's how bumper goes on. Let's screw it up. Ta-da!
Ta-da! That's the man. Old C8. Oh, C8, guys. Yeah, we ain't had both up with the front closed yet.
What do you think?
I love it, man. I love it. What y'all think, gang? For the ones that you should have done this, and now look, not y'all. People that like it, what y'all think? Let me know. Drop it down in the comment. That's the man right there. Yes.
Well, the biggest thing, obviously, that a lot of people that will see this and they'll say is they're gonna tell you how this is, and they've never in person actually touched it or felt it.
Yeah.
So it's just they think that it's traditionalist, that it should be on a Lamborghini. Well, first off, Lamborghini is the first person to invent it. There's like 6 other car manufacturers that have been putting vertical doors on cars way before Lamborghini. So it's, you know, knowledge is everything.
Yep.
But you've already touched it. You feel it. You
Oh,
know
yeah.
the durability. So it's not like what they've seen online.
Exactly.
It's also the installation is a big part of the quality, the
Yeah,
overall
right.
longevity of it as well.
This thing here looks great. I mean, it's heavy. Like, I mean, they not going anywhere at all.
No. Other than up and down.
That's it.
Up and down.
Perfect, perfect. It's finally done, man. I appreciate him. Like I said, a link will be in the description below. Y'all hit the subscribe button, and man, it's just, I'm telling y'all, Superman. Look at this thing, y'all. Y'all know there's gonna be plenty of videos coming, but look at it.